In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to write SQL queries. This is a simple way to generate database queries and manage data using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to write SQL queries. For example, I might type, "Write an SQL query to select all users from a database where the age is greater than 18. After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate the SQL query, which may include select statements, conditions, joins, or aggregations depending on your request. If I want more advanced queries, I can include more details in my prompt, such as multiple tables, filters, or grouping. For example, I might type, "Write an SQL query that joins two tables and calculates total sales per customer." Claude can also help explain the query, fix errors, or optimize it for better performance. Once the SQL query is ready, I can copy or download the content and run it in my database system. After that, I can test the query and verify the results. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to write SQL queries. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.